Good morning, guys. Coming to you from Brisbane. Today is Saturday here, Saturday morning around 8:45 a.m. here, and it's such a gorgeous, beautiful, clear blue skies here. And I'm gonna go exploring and I'm gonna take you guys to see some beautiful places here in the city. Let's go explore, let's go have fun. I'll talk to you guys soon. So, best way to go around the city it's by getting one of these electric scooters. So, gonna go explore the city and I'll see you guys soon. So, I'm about to cross here the Story Bridge. It will be an epic ride crossing, and I'll have the GoPro with me, so it'll be fun. Let's go. Alright guys, so this concludes the little trip with the electric scooter. So I came here to Kangaroo Point, Kangaroo Cliffs. So it's a nice location with a beautiful view here of Brisbane City. The water is a bit brown due to all the floods of recently. Just left the scooter here and I'm gonna go make some videos and explore this area, and I'll talk to you guys soon. So here behind me is the city CBD. I'm around now the Story Bridge. There's this beautiful place. The sun is setting right now, so it's a nice time. The lights in the Story Bridge are on and they're blue, and they're gonna start looking better and better by the minute. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the city here. Being lit by this beautiful tree here. Still walking here under the Story Bridge, like literally passing under the Story Bridge, the iconic landmark of Brisbane, and gonna keep going. I'm on the rooftop with the place where I'm staying here in Bowen Hills. I used to live very close here in Newstead. It's a beautiful place and very easy to get to the CBD if I want to. Today we're gonna go explore South Bank and see the Brisbane sign, walk around, see Queen Street Mall, and there's a lot of cool little places to visit. Walk around there and I'll talk to you guys soon. I am right now walking in South Bank. You have the QPAC here behind me, and I'm right in front of the Brisbane sign. So I'm gonna keep walking here along the water. Alright guys, I made it. I'm inside here, the Ferris wheel in Brisbane, the wheel of Brisbane, if you will. Here it is. I paid $21 for admission. It has some awesome 360-degree views of the city of Brisbane. And it's funny because I lived here for 5.5 years and yet I've never been inside. So I was just walking around here in South Bank and I saw a little queue and I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna go out of, you know, spur of the moment kind of thing. So let's do this. They just opened at 10 o'clock, so 10 a.m. And then I was one of the first few people in the queue. So yeah, totally worth it. At least once in your lifetime if you're visiting Brisbane. Gotta come to the wheel, see the amazing views all around. And there's some PA announcement here as well, talking about all the locations and stuff and history around this area here. We have the Brisbane River here in the back, the Treasury building over there, and here is QPAC, the Queensland Performing Arts Centre. I've been to so many places here, and such a great location. So this is the South Brisbane. This is the CBD, it's a bit bright there. Okay, so this is the CBD over here. And that's north of Brisbane. Let's enjoy the view. This concludes our little trip here inside the wheel of Brisbane. Thank you so much. It was a lot of fun.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Cheers. I'm walking into some beautiful gardens here. You can see behind me. I love walking here. And there's arches. Some beautiful plants. So green here, so nice. Perfect weather as well. Let's keep walking around and exploring these awesome locations. The weather's changing a little bit now. It's getting cloudy and it looks like it's gonna rain later. You can see here now, this is the new Queensland Wharf, like the Star Casino that's gonna be built here. It's gonna look amazing over the river. I'm still riding my scooter now. I'm gonna head out to Queen Street Mall. Alright guys, the weather now has changed a little bit. It's a bit cloudy now here and I'm gonna walk around Queen Street, which is right behind me here, Queen Street Mall, and just go check out some cool places.